was actually recording. No, I wasn't. So yeah, I've just been talking to myself and realized that the camera was actually off. So I'll repeat myself. So that means I didn't film the last bit as we went up here either. Anyways, okay, so we came up to this point, which is 2,000 meters. We started at, I think, where did we start? 1,400 we start, something like that. Doesn't seem like much. We went up 600 meters, but quite...
Nah, we went up way more than 600 meters from here to down there.
Yeah, it wouldn't be much more than that.
Dude, look at the valley down there.
But that's 600 meters, that's more than half a kilometer, seriously, that's not... It looks, when you're up high, it always looks higher than it is. Trust me, when you climb a 6-meter tree, it looks like you're in a, you're on a skyscraper. Yeah. When you look down. Yeah, he doesn't believe me. But anyways, we'll go down there. We'll go down there where the entrance was, and I'll have a look at the...
You can check on Osmond, just click on it on the road and see what's the altitude.
Yeah, so in a minute. Yeah, so I'll just finish saying that we came up here, and now we decided that we're not going to go up, carry on, because there's now further up there's 6 kilometers of what we went through right there, and if we get stuck, it's only way is coming back. And we don't want to get stuck because our skills, well, at least mine, he's Master Shifu, he probably would survive, but not me, unfortunately. So we're going to go down and try and find another entrance somewhere. The altitude down there. So we came from here. And it says it's actually 559 meters straight line down. Yeah? Man, it says 559 meters straight down. So it may have seemed as we've climbed Mount Everest, but we didn't. I would have liked it though, so... Okay. I didn't film the beginning of it, I don't think, because the camera was playing up. But we've ended up going up the stairs. We'll see some of on your video there. Yeah, it was quite challenging, but fun. So we're carrying on. We've done about what, 100 meters, 200 meters maybe. Yeah. And as usual, we stop every 100 meters, so we're according to schedule. All right, we'll carry on. All right, let's go. Should have done that. Okay, this is quite steep. This is quite steep. I'm a bit rested. We'll carry on up there.
We can still see our campsite from here.
Yeah, our campsite's down there.
Your body is weight at the back, yeah.
This is really steep.
You can go around or you can come straight up.
Straight up. You think I'm Graham Jarvis or something?
Cool, cool. No, stay on top of the seat, man. To put weight on the rear wheel. Just go slowly. Yeah. Yeah. You want the good news or bad news?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I don't think it gets any easier, mate.
I don't think it does. How far do we have? 300 meters. So we got that far, which is still 6 kilometers to the peak, but in theory we could get up to here, and maybe with a push we could get each other up here.
Somebody's been here up with bikes, it's polished.
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy cow.
You want to stay away from that corner?
Yeah. Let's throw your bike in there. Right, okay, now it goes around the mountain. It goes around, so
And up the top.
yeah. Oh. Oh.
Alright, we can make it.
If the Master Shifu says we can.
We might have to disassemble the bikes and carry it up, but
Yeah.
I was thinking about coming up this way.
What?
No, it didn't work.
Well, kind of grips. Guess it's my turn.